Hey guys, now we're on lesson 12. Now we're going to be multiplying a decimal by a single digit. So it's going to be the same thing, but we're not going to be using the area model. We're going to be kind of estimating. So we're not going to be doing a ton of work, but we will have to write because it says explain your reasoning. So um, you have to do a little bit of writing, okay guys? So it's not just circle and I'm done. So the first one says choose the reasonable product for each expression. Remember, product is the answer to a multiplication problem. Oh, I gotta change the thickness of it. Okay, so now I explain using words, pictures, or numbers. Now it says or numbers, but you know. So I have 2 and 5/10 times 4. Well, they're telling me it could be either 1/10, 1, 10, or 100. Well, let's think about this. Let's use like common sense. Let's reason this. Well, I know this is 2 and a 4. Well, 2 times 4 is 8. I know that much right now. So then I can get rid of that one. I can get rid of this one. And I can probably just get rid of this one. So I know it's this. So, explain my reason. Besides just doing the work out, you could say, I know the answer is 10 because 25 tenths times 4 equals 10. Because think of it, 25 times 4 equals 100. If I have 25 tenths, that's going to give me 10 because that means there's going to be you can look at it that way. Okay. Next one. Look at B, please. B says 3 and 1400 times 7. Now, one way I can look at this is say, okay, I got hundreds here. So that's telling me my product is going to be in the hundreds place. And I mean, just looking at that's 7 times 3. That's 21. So can there any be reason this is 2,198? No, that doesn't even make sense. Now, we have some other answers here. Well, this says it's going to be in the tens place. Well, I got hundreds here because it tells me the hundreds. And excuse me, that was rude. This is thousands. So it's this one. How do I know? There's 314 hundredths. So my product must be in the hundreds. Okay, next one. Okay, Pedro's building a spice rack with 4 shelves that are 5,500 meters long. At the hardware store, Pedro finds that he can buy the shelving in whole meter lengths. Exactly how many meters of shelving does Pedro need? Since he can only buy whole number lengths, how many meters of shelving should he buy? Okay, and this is justify your thinking, so in other words, back it up. So basically I need 4 shelves. 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're all 55 hundredths meters long. So I'm not going to add this. Don't add it. Multiply it. So let's do that area model. So I got 5 tenths. I got 5 hundredths. Okay, so that's 20 tenths. And this is 20 hundredths. So what does that look like? 20 tenths is actually 2, because it'd be 2.0 plus 20 hundredths would be 0.2 or 0. So Pedro would need 2.2 meters of shelving. But wait, there's more, because exactly how many meters? I checked that one off. Since he can only buy a whole number of lanes, how many meters of shelving would he need to buy? Well, I need 2.2. How many meters do I need to buy? Well, I don't need to buy 2 because that wouldn't be enough. So I have to buy 3 meters of shelving. By 3 meters of shelving. Pedro needs to buy 3 meters of shelving and justify it because it's 2.2. I need 3. Okay? All right, guys. Bye.